We're going to talk about the fraction rule for negative exponents that we have here. Now, the way this works is if you have a fraction that's being raised to a negative power, you can take the reciprocal of the fraction, so flip the fraction, and that changes the sign of the exponent. So it was negative here, we flip it and it becomes positive. Or if you want to go from positive to negative, you can do that. If you have a over b to the n and you want to get it to be a negative exponent, then you just flip the fraction b over a, and that changes the sign out here. Of course, this only works when a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0 because you don't want to divide by 0. Let's apply it to this problem here. Okay, so we got the fraction inside 2/5. Okay, so 2/5 is being raised to the power of -2. I want to make that a positive exponent. So what I'll do is I'm going to flip the fraction inside. So 2/5 becomes 5/2. We flip the fraction. That automatically changes it to be a positive 2 on the outside. But of course, then I want to square both of those. So I get 5 squared over 2 squared, or 25/4. That doesn't reduce, so that would be our answer. Let's do another example of that. Okay, so 7/4. Again, this is a fraction that we're going to use the same rule again that we talked about. I want to change this to a positive, which means I want to flip the fraction inside. And that is to make this outside number positive. Then you just square the top and the bottom. So we get 16/49. And that would be your final answer.